Hello everyone, this is Roslyn of BTech CSC third year and I am here to talk on the topic on knowledge-based agent in artificial intelligence. An intelligent agent needs knowledge about the real world for taking decision and reasoning to act efficiently. The knowledge-based agents are those agents who have the capability of maintaining an internal state of knowledge, reason over that knowledge and update their knowledge after observations and take action. These agents can represent the world with some formal representation and act intelligently. Knowledge-based agents are composed of two main parts: knowledge base and inference system. Knowledge base. An agent should be able to represent states, action, etc. An agent should also be able to incorporate new percepts. An agent can update the internal representation of the world. An agent can also deduce the internal representation of the world. An agent can deduce appropriate actions. Now, let us see the architecture of knowledge-based agent. Knowledge-based agent take input from the environment by perceiving the environment. The input is taken by the inference engine of the agent and which also communicate with KB to decide as per the knowledge stored in KB. Now, what is KB? Knowledge base is a central component of knowledge-based agent. It is also known as KB. It is a collection of sentences. These sentences are expressed in a language which is called a knowledge representation language. The knowledge base of KBA stores fact about the world. Now, why we use knowledge base? Knowledge base is required for updating knowledge for an agent to learn with experiences and take actions as per the knowledge. Inference system. Inference system means deriving new sentences from old. Inference system allows us to add new sentences to the knowledge base. Inference system applies logical rules to the KB to deduce new information. An inference system works mainly in two rules. They are forward changing and backward changing. Now let us see the operations performed by KBA. There are three operations which are performed by KBA in order to show the intelligent behavior. Let's see what are they. Tell. This operation tells the knowledge base what it perceives from the environment. Ask. This operation asks the knowledge base what action it should perform. Perform. It performs the selected action. Now, there are various levels of knowledge-based agent. Let's see what are they. There are three types of knowledge-based agent. They are knowledge level, logical level, and implementation level. Knowledge level. Knowledge level is the first level of knowledge-based agent. And in this level, we need to specify what the agents know and what the agent goals are. With these specifications, we can fix its behavior. Logical level. At this level, we understand that how the knowledge representation of knowledge is stored. At this level, sentences are encoded into different logics. At the logical level, an encoding of knowledge into logical sentence occurs. Implementation level. This is the physical representation of logic and knowledge. At the implementation level, agent perform actions as per logical and knowledge level. Approaches to design a knowledge-based agent. There are mainly two approaches to build a knowledge-based agent. They are declarative approach and procedural approach. Declarative approach. We can create a knowledge-based agent by initializing with an empty knowledge base and telling the agent all the sentences with which we want to start with. This approach is called declarative approach. Procedural approach. In the procedural approach, we directly encode desired behavior as a program code, which means we just need to write a program that already encodes the desired behavior or agent. However, in the real world, a successful agent can be built by combining both declarative and procedural approaches. And declarative knowledge can often be compiled into more efficient procedural codes. Thank you for watching.